Hey everyone, it is John. I'm in Galveston, but I did a little packing video before I came on the trip. So I'm going to do a little intro here, and then we're going to go over and we're going to check out how I pack for a Caribbean cruise. I try to keep things really simple. Generally, I bring just a carry-on and my backpack with camera stuff. So for this particular trip, I wasn't allowed to bring a carry-on on the plane. I could only bring a backpack or something to put under. So I had to check a bag. So I wound up bringing a little bit of a bigger bag. So let's get into the packing and I'll show you guys exactly what I brought. Let's go. All right, so here we got my piece of luggage that I generally use only for longer trips, but I'm using it here. It just works better for this particular trip. I like it. It's got it feeds from the top down, so there's no midsection. It's just top loading in. You put all your stuff in. And then there's like a laptop sleeve and plenty of compartments over here in the top where you can put a bunch of things in. So let's get into the next part where I have 2 bathing suits. So generally bring 1 or 2 bathing suits. I bring underwear and socks in that little carry-on thing. And then basically I just roll up the bathing suits and shove them in there like that. Pretty simple. Generally I use those packing cubes all the time, but I don't need them for this particular trip. So I only put underwear and socks in a packing cube, and I didn't even like compress it at all. I'm just putting it in there because I have tons of room and I don't bring a lot of clothes, which you're going to see. But generally speaking, I use the packing cubes, and the packing cubes work really well if you are short on space. It really does compress them a pretty good amount so that you can get everything you need in there. Next thing I'm going to put in here are shoes. So generally I wear a pair of very comfortable daily walking shoes, and then I bring some type of dressier shoes. I have these, and these are easy to smush. So I like that. It makes them easy and small. And then I bought these water shoes on Amazon. I don't really like flip-flops. So I bought these water shoes, for doing any kind of excursions or things like that, boat shoes. So next up, I'm going to get these into the suitcase, and these are easy. They both smush down. So as you can see there, they take up very, very little space. So now I have my essentials, always enough socks and underwear for the trip, 2 bathing suits, and my 2 pairs of shoes. Next up is going to be t-shirts. I have a t-shirt for every day of the cruise. So as you can see, I got a bunch of bite-sized cruises shirts in there. I have my Jubilee shirt, my Emma Cruises debarkation shirt, and those are all going to go in now. So you can see I got all the t-shirts in there, easy peasy, still have tons of room. This is a small piece of luggage too. This is by no means like a large suitcase or anything. It's a pretty low profile case, but all the t-shirts fit in there pretty easily. Again, if I needed to use the compression bags, I could, and I would have so much room left in my suitcase. So next up, we are going to do jeans. I wear a pair of jeans, and then I bring a backup pair of jeans. Generally, I don't bring dress pants or anything like that unless we're doing a fancy formal night. Now I put my dress shirts in. Generally, I do the same amount. I do a button-down shirt for every night of the cruise. So 7-night cruise, 7 button-down shirts here. I do have an extra t-shirt because I'm flying in a day early. And I'm bringing that extra dress shirt because I'm going to be in Galveston for the night. So I'll have something extra to wear there. So there's all the shirts, t-shirts, pants, shorts, bathing suit, and shoes are already in. I'm basically done packing at this point. Again, I'm super low maintenance. I'm going to have Meg and AJ do packing videos. They're both vastly different as well. So I think it'll be a good perspective to have all 3 of us do different packing videos so you can see basically how everybody packs. There's my toiletry bag. In my toiletry bag, I carry travel sizes of everything. So Tylenol, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush. I bring all my vitamins, all that kind of stuff. I do bring some seasickness medication, Bonine, and I bring Zofran in case I do get sick. And that's pretty much it in there. Going to bring some bite-sized magnets so we can give those away. I also have bookmarks as well. I'm going to put these in the little compartments there. I do put candy and stuff in those compartments too. We always bring Mentos. So I bring like a 6-pack of Mentos that I chuck in all the time. I had to run to the store to get extra Mentos. I was out from my MSC Magnifica cruise. But that's basically all the clothes that I bring when I'm going on a cruise. I know it's super minimal. There's my little thing that I attach to my lanyard that I use my key card. I bring a Starbucks gift card and some business cards as well so that I have them. And my clothes are basically done. I am going to put a few other things in there. I've got this little bag that we use to carry things when we kind of go off the ship. Sunglasses. I do have a hat that I forgot to put in, so I'm going to have to buy a hat down there on the ship. And then I have this little alpaca bag. I use this when we go off the ship to carry my passport, money, any documents, because it just hangs around my neck and I can get away easily if I need to. And then my Kindle. And that is how I pack for a Caribbean cruise. So we'll have Meg and AJ do one as well on their next cruise. So we will see you for our next video. Have a great day. Bye.